Hello friend, welcome back to English Easy Peasy. Today we're learning am, is, are, some of the most important words in English grammar. Let's start. Am, is, and are forms of the verb to be. We use them to talk about who we are, how we feel, and what something is. Am only with I. I am happy. I am a student. Is with he, she, it, or a person. She is my friend. It is a cat. Are with you, we, they. We are friends. They are students. I am. He, she, it is. You, we, they are. Let's practice together. I'll say the subject and you say the correct word. I blank a student. I am a student. She blank happy. She is happy. They blank friends. They are friends. Now be careful, many beginners say this wrong. I is happy. Nope. I am happy. They is student. Nope. They are students. See, am is are is very simple when you follow the rules. Practice with your friends and family every day. Easy peasy lemon squeezy. Now write 3 sentences with am, is, are in the comment and I'll check them. Don't forget to subscribe for more English lessons.